We went to Grenada for this drone competition, and it was our first competition. So, it was the first experience. We was taking this as to see how it goes. So, for our next competition, we know what to do, improve and whatnot.
The competition is kind of hectic sometimes. Basically, each team has an A, B, and C group, and they call out your team, and you fly your drones for 2 different setups.
So we have 2 different courses. We have the piloting course, and we have the autonomous course. So the pilot course has bean bags and balls, where we have spotters that guide the balls for the pilot, and then the autonomous is just 2 arches and. We just fly what's it? A figure eight. Yeah, figure eight. Yeah, and that's our courses.
Hey, Horn Lake High School. So we wanted to come the other day to talk about the ROTC drone team. We just had our first competition this past Friday, the 24th, down in Grenada, where we took home a trophy. And we took 3 teams down there, and our A team ended up qualifying for nationals. So yeah, and here are some of the cadets that's also on the team with me, and I'm also the drone team captain.
My name is London. I'm a pilot for a B team, and it was really fun. It was a good experience for the first time, and we did good for it to be our first time even being in a drone competition with people that have more experience than us. And we all placed 8th and 9th and 10th place for our first time. That's good. And we learned new stuff because we had to learn which way to stand with the drone, because we was all doing it wrong. But we learned from that, and we're gonna do better.
Okay, I'm Kelly, and I'm a part of the notebooking session. And they kind of hit all the points, but notebooking actually won. What place did we win? Third? Was it third or first? I think it was first. But this we got the trophy from. We was actually we had got a lot of correct criticism. Is that how you say it? Constructive criticism. Period, queen. Okay. Yo, and they had told us a lot of stuff about our notebooks. They was we should have spent more time on it and put more effort into it, because they could tell that we were new and stuff. So we got a lot of points from that. Yes, we got a lot of feedback from that, and it was good. I feel like we did good for our first time, and yeah.
I'm Lakevius. I'm one of the programmers for the drone and ROTC. Like they said, it was a really good experience. What we do, we just code for the drones, and then they just fly up and do whatever they do for the codes. But it's a little difficult, but we got it so far. I think we did 6th place. Yeah, 6th place for B team. So it was a really good experience. I liked it. I think I'm gonna stay on the drone team for now.
Oh.
For now, but.